video on how to properly assemble and disassemble a system unit. So before we're going to start disassembling and assembling our system unit, we must first consider some safety and precautionary measures to avoid untoward accidents. So first is, make sure that your system unit is unplugged to avoid electrocution. So in this case, our system unit has been unplugged already. So it is now safety for us to start disassembling our system unit. Another thing is, before you're going to disassemble or assemble your system unit, you should have to remove all your jewelries, especially your rings and watches, because metals are high conductors of electricity. So this may cause electrocution and damage to the components as well as yourself. So another safety and precautionary measures you have to consider in disassembling and assembling a system unit is your workplace. So we have to make sure that it is well ventilated, or as much as possible, it is air conditioned. This is to keep your hands dry and avoid sweaty hands. It is required for you to use rubber gloves. So after consideration all those mentioned safety and precautionary measures, we can now start disassembling our system unit.
Here's how to disassemble a system. First, remove the casing. Please unplug all base low connectors. Next is remove the power supply. Next is remove all the cameras. Next is remove the CPU fan. Next is remove the motherboard. Make sure not to touch the yellow portion of this chip because it is very sensitive. Next is remove the CPU and CMOS battery.
Components of system unit and their functions. It's the most essential part of the computer that holds on the circuit tray to connect the various components to the computer. This is the optical drive. Computer system allows you to use CDs, DVDs, and Blu-ray discs to listen music and find with its sync. It's used to hold down CPU and other components of the motherboard. Next is the hard disk drive, used to store and retrieve the digital information. The main brain of the computer is CMOS. This is to update time and date, even if the computer is turned off. The power supply, it gives electrical supply to the components of the system unit.
So guys, I am now going to assemble a system unit. First is attach the motherboard. Then attach the cables and CPU. Attach the CPU fan with heatsink. Attach the power supply. Then attach the internal. is the IDE connector. Next is the SATA cable. This is the 24-pin connector. Next is 4-pin connector. Our system unit is already assembled.
So that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoy watching and learn from our video. For more videos, please like and subscribe.